Here I am on Highway 21 in Lund, and we've got some projects going on at the store, and thank goodness it's not cold and snowy today. We're sawing a hole in the highway, and I didn't think I was going to be able to make any video, but Katie came along, the lady that's working in the store today, so it's really a good thing. Anyway, we rented this asphalt saw, concrete saw, and it's working really good. She came out and was watching me. I go, oh, let's make some videos. So anyway, she's gonna walk down here a little closer and show you the saw working. It's working just really good. We're putting a new approach on the highway from the store, and it's been quite a project just getting the paperwork done. So anyway, also she might pound up there and show you the truck. We built a new water truck on our old truck, put new batteries in her, and everything's going along good. Halfway now. Anyway, we'll turn it back on for a minute.
It's on.
Still recording? So anyway, we rented this machine from a Home Depot, and it said in the instructions to snap a line where you're going to draw. But look, God already put a line on the highway for me to follow. So it's all good. We'll see you next time.